U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service logo appears along with the title, Grasslands at Balcones Canyonlands National Wildlife Refuge. In the background, yellow Indian grass sways in the breeze. In the distance, a bee pollinates a flower. Various scenes of grasslands are cycling across the screen. Some are close-up shots of grasses and flowers, others are wide shots of fields with woodlands in the distance. Text on the screen says, "Come see for yourself." Visit our website for directions and trail information. fws.gov/refuge/Balcones Canyonlands. Video by Claire Hassler.